Today, we're diving into a topic that can help you save some serious cash: homeowners insurance. We all know how important it is to protect our homes, but that doesn't mean we have to break the bank to do so. In this video, we'll be sharing some valuable tips and tricks on how you can save money on your homeowners insurance without compromising on coverage. First off, we'll discuss the importance of shopping around. Just like with any other purchase, it's crucial to compare quotes from different insurance providers to ensure you're getting the best deal. We'll also touch on the significance of bundling your policies. Many insurance companies offer discounts if you bundle your homeowners and auto insurance together, so we'll explore how you can take advantage of this cost-saving strategy. Next, we'll talk about the impact of your home's location on insurance premiums. Factors such as crime rates, proximity to fire stations, and natural disaster risks can all affect how much you pay for coverage. By understanding these factors, you can make informed decisions to potentially lower your insurance costs. Additionally, we'll delve into the importance of maintaining a good credit score. Believe it or not, your credit history can play a significant role in determining your insurance rates. We'll provide some tips on how you can improve your credit score and potentially save money on your homeowner's insurance as a result. By the end of this video, you can expect to walk away with a better understanding of how homeowners insurance works and practical strategies to save money on your policy. So, if you're looking to cut down on your insurance expenses while still safeguarding your home, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Back in the early days of homeowners insurance, policies were relatively straightforward, with limited options for customization. Factors such as inflation, increased property values, and changing weather patterns have contributed to higher insurance rates over time. Simply, it's no longer like the good old days. This can be particularly daunting for homeowners on a tight budget or those living in high-risk areas prone to natural disasters. On the flip side, the evolution of the insurance market has also brought about new opportunities for savings. With advancements in technology and data analytics, insurance companies are now able to offer more personalized and competitive rates to customers. This means that homeowners have a greater chance of finding affordable coverage that meets their specific needs. Another challenge many homeowners encounter is the complexity of insurance policies and the jargon-filled language used in the industry. Understanding the ins and outs of insurance can be overwhelming, making it difficult for homeowners to navigate their options effectively. However, by educating themselves on key concepts and seeking guidance from insurance professionals, homeowners can overcome this barrier and make informed decisions to save money on their policies. In the face of these challenges and opportunities, it's essential for homeowners to be proactive in seeking out ways to save money on their insurance. By staying informed, comparing quotes, and taking advantage of available discounts, homeowners can secure affordable coverage that provides peace of mind without breaking the bank. Here are 5 basic strategy steps to saving money on your homeowner's insurance. Step 1. Shop around. Don't settle for the first insurance quote you receive. Take the time to compare rates from multiple providers to ensure you're getting the best deal. For example, Company A may offer a lower premium for the same coverage than Company B, saving you hundreds of dollars annually. Step 2. Bundle policies. Consider bundling your homeowners and auto insurance with the same provider. Many insurance companies offer discounts for bundling, which can lead to significant savings. For instance, bundling your policies with Company C could result in a 15% discount on both your homeowners and auto insurance premiums. Step 3. Improve your home's safety features. Installing security systems, smoke detectors, and impact-resistant roofing can lower your insurance premiums. For instance, upgrading to a monitored alarm system with Company D could lead to a 10% reduction in your annual premium. Step 4. Raise your deductible. Opting for a higher deductible can lower your monthly premiums. While this means you'll pay more out of pocket in the event of a claim, it can result in substantial savings over time. For example, increasing your deductible from $500 to $1,000 with Company E could reduce your premium by 25%. Step 5. Maintain a good credit score. Your credit history can impact your insurance rates. By improving your credit score through timely bill payments and responsible financial management, you may qualify for lower premiums. For instance, a homeowner with an excellent credit score saved 20% on their insurance premium with Company F. By implementing these strategies and staying informed about your options, You can take proactive steps to save money on your homeowner's insurance while ensuring your home is adequately protected. When it comes to saving money on homeowners insurance, there are other additional various perspectives and strategies to consider. One common viewpoint is the importance of maintaining a good relationship with your insurance provider. Some argue that loyalty to a single insurance company can lead to long-term benefits, such as loyalty discounts and priority service. On the other hand, others believe that regularly shopping around for new quotes is the key to securing the best rates. Another aspect to consider is the role of technology in insurance savings. With the rise of smart home devices and IoT technology, some insurers offer discounts for homeowners who invest in these safety features. However, there are concerns about privacy and data security associated with these devices, prompting homeowners to weigh the potential savings against the risks. Additionally, the impact of climate change on insurance premiums is a hot topic in the industry. As extreme weather events become more frequent, insurers may adjust their rates to account for increased risks. This raises the question of whether homeowners in high-risk areas should expect higher premiums, or if there are alternative strategies to mitigate these costs. Saving money on homeowners insurance is not only possible, but also essential for ensuring financial security and peace of mind. By implementing the strategies discussed in this video, you can take proactive steps to lower your insurance premiums while maintaining adequate coverage for your home. Remember to shop around and compare quotes from multiple insurance providers to find the best deal. Bundling your policies, improving your home's safety features, raising your deductible, and maintaining a good credit score are all effective ways to save money on your homeowner's insurance. Whether you choose to explore loyalty discounts, leverage technology for savings, the key is to stay informed and proactive in managing your insurance costs. The savings you accumulate over time can make a significant difference in your overall financial well-being. We hope the insights shared in this video have empowered you to make informed decisions about your homeowner's insurance and inspired you to take action towards saving money. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel for more tips on personal finance, and share this video with others who may benefit from these strategies. Thank you for watching, and remember, a little effort in managing your homeowner's insurance today can lead to substantial savings in the long run. Stay informed, stay proactive, and stay financially secure.